Hi guys, we're back with another YouTube video, and we're gonna be doing Adopt Me. So yeah, I'm really close to the golden egg, but we're gonna do this. I really don't think this should be rare. I think it should be an ultra or legendary. Maybe not a legendary, but yeah. It should not be rare. Sorry if you hear meowing. It is my cat meowing because I'm sitting with her. So you might hear lots of meowing in this video. But I'm petting her right now. I love how it is. My name is Mia. We're going to change that. We're just going to have my name be Mia. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I got it on the ground. Okay guys, so we're going to get on this. I really want a banana car. I really want a banana car, but I got this. It took me forever to get. It's gone in 3 days. Oh my gosh. But we can't spend my money. Whatever, I don't care. We're trying to get this luxury apartment. It's right over here. Yeah. So we're gonna go to school. We're gonna go in here, and he needs to get trained again. So let's go, and why he's to be trained. Oh, good dance. Bam, good. Okay, guys, so go on tricks, bounce. And now he's bouncing. That's neat. Oh, wait, I'm hungry. I don't have a lot of Robux. I only have 59 Robux. I only have 59 Robux. Guys, you probably have a lot more than me. I really want a griffin. My dream pets is a griffin or a dragon. That's my dream pet. And if they fly and animatable, that's better too. But like starfish. Like the starfish. I don't know if the starfish is rare or not, or the toucan. So can you guys please, pretty please, just comment down below and tell me if the toucan is rare or not. Sorry, if the toucan is rare or not, and then if you guys don't know that, then comment if you know if the starfish is rare or not. So yeah, he needs a drink. So I sadly don't have this because I don't want to spend all my Robux, and I don't even have enough Robux for it. So yeah, I have 4. Sorry. So I have 4 full growns, but like as you can see, full grown. That's not a full grown. That's a preteen. And full grown. But they have to be the same spirits to get them neon, so I'm super mad about that. Oh, I just hit my cat's ear. Okay, not my cat, but like we have a family cat, and I call her my cat. But where's my house? Oh, it's right here. Okay, and I don't know what I was gonna say. Okay, so I don't even know what I was gonna say. So comment down below what is your favorite Roblox game. Mine's Adopt Me. Like, comment down below. Sorry, I'm yawning a lot. Comment down below which one's your favorite. If you haven't seen the other YouTube video of me like introducing my channel, then go watch that. Anyways, so like if you want me to do a face reveal, we have to get this video to 30 subs. And I'll do a face reveal. But if this video gets 20 subs, I'll do a name reveal. And yeah, I at least need a video to get 10 likes. 10 likes is all I need. But so let's try and get this video to 10 likes on this video or another video. I don't really care which one it is. But yeah. Okay, I was trying to eat something. Okay. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go in here. You're just gonna eat, and I'm gonna eat. Oh, I know what we should do, guys. We should do some trades. So let's go do some trades. 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 Trades. Whatever you want to call it. Oh no, we gotta go sleepy. I don't care. We're doing trades to see if we can get a griffin or anything. Lots of people think this is an ultra rare. Just like people think like that is, but it's really not. We're gonna see if this girl has any nice stuff. Happy year. Let's see. That's a rare for a preteen. Well, I mean, I'll give her that. Oh, she's kind of he. Okay, I forgot what's the name of it. Oh, koala. That's not my dream pet. Looking for ride potion. Sorry, ma'am, I don't have a ride potion, but you can still train me. Okay, so we're gonna give her all the pets that I think are my rarest pets. Actually, instead of that sloth, I'm going over this. For this, no. I hate dingoes. Whatever, we're just gonna go to sleep. I really wanted to trade, but like there's no one there to trade. Take a koala for a ride potion? I don't think that's a fair trade. Actually, yes it is. Actually, I don't know. Could someone please tell me? I'm so sorry, but could someone please tell me if the flyer ride potions are legendary or ultra? I think they're legendary, but I don't know. Someone comment down below all the things I asked, please, because I don't even know. Oh my gosh, there's people I can trade. Trade a Billy. Billy, what you got for me? Billy. A griffin. No! It's a griffin. No, Billy. Billy, I'll give you something. Billy, I'll give you this. I'll give you this. I'll give you this. I'll give you this. Billy. Billy. A common. Well, rare. Ultra rare. Why? No. Whatever, we need showers. Let's go. I don't know why he thinks that's a fair trade. It might be for him. Maybe for him, it's a fair trade. But it's not a fair trade for me. Oh no, I'm in the ground. Oh no. No, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we're just gonna reset. There we go. He. Give them a shower. Give him or she. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I'm itching myself. I'm itchy. Hi, Bobby. That was my cat. I called her Bobby. Okay, let's get to the playground now. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope you can like, subscribe, comment all the questions I wondered. I only have 4 subscribers. Can you just please get me to at least 10 or 20? Because if you get to me to 20, I might do a name reveal. It just depends on if I win or not. Yeah,